The fried lotus root box that Grandma used to make when I was a child, full of the smell of childhood, crispy on the outside and fragrant on the inside. It was delicious. The ingredients are very simple. Lotus root, minced pork, ginger, and spring onion. Peeled lotus root. Cut into uniformly thin slices with each slice connected at the base. Be careful not to cut. Midpoint connection, so that the meat can be caught. Add minced ginger and scallion to the minced pork. Add salt, pepper, and light soy sauce. Oyster sauce, a small amount of water. Another spoonful of starch. Mix well. Finally, add a spoonful of sesame oil to enhance flavor. Lock in moisture. Stir in one direction. Stir until the mince is sticky. It will be tender when fried like this. Add the prepared meat filling evenly into the middle of the lotus root slices. Press lightly, but not too crowded. Otherwise, it will easily bulge out when fried. To be crispy, the proportion of fried paste is very important. A spoonful of flour, a spoonful of starch, and an egg. A little salt, 5 spice powder, a little water. Mix well. Stir into a sticky yogurt paste like this. It's just right to hang the lotus root box. Put the lotus root clip in and dip it. Wrap in batter. Fry in a pan when the oil temperature is 60% hot. Low fire and slow fry. Fried to the surface. It can be fished out if it is slightly golden. Rising oil temperature. Fry the lotus root box in the pot again. Refry for 30 seconds. This is the key. Fry it until golden in color, crispy skin. Take it out immediately and drain the oil. As soon as this fried lotus root box comes out of the pot, color golden. The surface is fried very evenly. It looks appetizing. Take a bite. The skin is crispy and not greasy. It's tender and juicy meat filling. It tastes best while it's hot. Remember, like, subscribe, and favorite. See you next time.